Welcome to EasyBilling software tutorial. We'll guide you through the steps to use the Auto Create feature in the template. The Auto Create feature allows you to generate document automatically on a weekly or monthly schedule. You can configure Auto Create feature in the template. First, open your template. Check the Auto Create box. Next, select the folder where the Auto Create document will be created in. Then, specify the schedule for document creation. You can choose to generate document either monthly or weekly, and set the exact day of the month or the day of the week for this process. Please note that if you select the 30th or 31st for the monthly schedule, documents will be created on the last day of the month in shorter months, such as February, April, June, September, or November. You also have the option to show notifications when auto documents are created. Here's an example of the notification. This alert displays the templates being processed, the processing date, and the corresponding document numbers for the created document. All auto-created documents will be recorded. You can review the log by clicking the View Log button. Finally, click the Save button at the top to save the settings. The documents will be generated automatically based on the specified schedule. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope you found the Auto Create feature helpful and streamline your document preparation.